Chief Minister Punjab Sardar Usman Buzdar inaugurated an Amanri in Shah Jamal on Wednesday. He took food along with the others. The CM announced to open 11 more Amanris in Lahore, adding that in principle decision has been made to start Amanris outside shelter homes for the holy poly. The government is fulfilling its responsibilities by providing boarding and lodging facilities to the impecunious strata, he stressed. 48,000 people have been provided with food in 7 Amanris in Lahore, and the scope of this facility will be extended to other cities as well. He said Punjab Panaga Authority will set up soon and the dream of a welfare state will be materialized. Looking after the needy is a great virtue, but past governments never took any practical step for the welfare of the indigent strata, the helpless, abandoned, and the poor needy special attention of the society, and the PTI government has taken care of the penurious stratum, he added. Replying to media, the CM said that the new IG police has been given instructions about law and order and supremacy of law will be fully ensured. IGs were transferred in the past too, and it's not an unusual situation, but an administrative matter. To another question, Usman Buzdar replied that the improvement will be introduced in the police soon. The police were being provided with all kinds of facilities, including the provision of executive allowance and procurement of 550 vehicles. Similarly, 45 new police stations have been constructed and land has been given for 101 other police stations. He said 10,000 constables are also being recruited. Replying to another question, Usman Buzdar said that no one should have any problem with anybody in the province. We will keep every step according to the law, and my doors are open to everybody and everyone can meet me.